ProHeat not suctioning, here's how to fix it. Bissell Little Green ProHeat not suctioning, here's how to fix it. Alright, so if your Bissell Little Green ProHeat is spraying water but not picking it back up, you're basically dealing with a suction problem. And when that happens, cleaning becomes almost pointless because all that dirty water just sits there instead of going into the tank. What usually confuses people is that the machine still sounds normal. It's running, it's spraying, everything seems fine, but the suction just isn't doing its job. That's when most people start thinking the motor is broken, but in most cases, that's not what's going on. This issue is usually caused by something interrupting the airflow inside the machine. Suction depends on everything being sealed properly and all the air pathways being clear. So even something small like a loose tank, a clogged nozzle, or a blocked hose can reduce performance a lot. So instead of jumping to the worst conclusion, let's go through a few things that usually fix it pretty quickly. First, remove the dirty water tank and empty it completely. If it's full, the machine won't be able to pull in more water. After that, put the tank back in and make sure it's attached properly. It needs to sit tightly in place. If there's even a small gap, you'll lose suction. Next, check the suction nozzle at the front. This is where buildup happens the most. Hair, dirt, and debris can block airflow, so clean it out properly. Then take a look at the hose. Run your hand along it and check for any clogs or buildup inside. If something is stuck in there, it will stop the airflow from moving freely. Also, check the gasket and seals around the tank and connections. Make sure everything is aligned correctly and nothing looks out of place or damaged. Once you've done all that, turn the machine back on and test it on a small area. In most cases, the suction should come back right away. This problem usually isn't a major failure, it's just a small blockage or sealing issue that interrupts airflow. Fix that and the machine works like normal again.